All right, we are going to shift into more legato focus. So we've done, a lot of that finger twister stuff there. So you're always welcome to go back to anything that we have done if you'd like to continue working on that. Feel we've covered a lot of it. So it's time to shift focus here. So I'm going to be changing strings for number 1, very similar to what we did last week. One thing that is different though, so we're starting with the hammer-ons, and then we go to pull off when we change the string. So we've got to make sure all the other strings are quiet, and then we go to start with the hammer-on again, start with the pull off, start with the hammer-on, start with the pull off, start with the hammer-on, start with the pull off. So it keeps alternating between the two. So start hammer-on begins, then the pull-off, then the hammer-on, then the pull-off. Makes it a bit easier to change the strings, I feel. Here we go, 60. 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4. One, two, three, four. $40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 2, back to just one string, but now we're going to keep bouncing back and forth between 2 different fingers. So bars 1 and 3 are the same, and we start with the pull off every bar. So pinky begins, and then ring finger. So keep bouncing back and forth between the pinky and the ring finger for the first and third bar. And then for bars 2 and 4, we use the middle finger instead of the ring finger. All right, back to 60. 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a. $100. 1, 2, 3, 4. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll wear your hand out. Okay, gallop again for the palm mutes. But as you see, we're going to palmate the low E over and over again, and all the non-muted stuff, all the eighth notes, will be chords starting on the A string. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Yeah. Also, I should point out, like when muting it, I'm using my thumb all the time for this guy. Really, really helpful to make sure it stays clean. If you can't get your thumb over the top, index finger. Got to keep going back and forth between hitting that E string to keep it quiet when the chords are playing and getting it out of the way so this way the E string can ring out. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... I didn't change chords. 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1. Yeah, when you get going fast, there's no way you're gonna miss hitting that low E string. So as I get going fast, I'm absolutely hitting the E string to get to the chord, but I keep it muted so you don't really hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4. .40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad chord in there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Missed the string. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's slow it down to 160 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again next week.